How to install a BIOS update from a USB. This video will teach you how to update your BIOS from a USB stick. The BIOS acts as your motherboard's firmware and can quickly be updated. Type MSINFO and press the Enter key. Insert the USB into your computer. Download the BIOS update. Restart your computer. Enter Setup or Advanced mode and wait for your BIOS to load. Access the BIOS update on your USB. Allow your BIOS to update. Do not turn off your computer while the BIOS is updating. Doing so can cause the BIOS to become corrupted, meaning that your computer will be unable to start, complete the BIOS installation, or otherwise run at all.